When you're tidying up the last few bits of the charger bed before the extrusion flat pieces are installed, I figured I'd walk you through the last of the small steps. This is the spacer, and this is the connector plate that connects the back edge of the inner fender to the C-channel in the rear. So the C-channel, the open end is facing forward. You put these two, they have shapes that put them together, and you're basically going to put this under and tie this piece to this piece. So you'll put a rivet right there, you'll put a rivet right there. I do 3 of them, 1, 2, 3 across, and that gives you the bracing at the rear edge of the inner fender. Now, I've explained that before, but I figured I'd do it in detail. Use flush rivets so that they look really pretty. And then the last bit of detail is mounting this new top plate. So there's your roll pan, and I'm just positioning the roll pan in place with the tailgate in position. Pulled the tailgate off, and I'm going to use flush rivets to rivet. Once the roll pan is where you want it, I just clamp it in position, get it pretty close. Under the tailgate, invisible to the eye, you can put a flush rivet here to kind of lock it in and out. Remember, this whole roll pan can be adjusted in and out based on where you rivet this top plate. So there's the top plate that you install. And then when the tailgate goes on for the last time, not only this gap here, which is controlled by how high up and down the roll pan is, but also the in and out of the roll pan can be adjusted.